Pee Wee Herman bikes.
Historical.
Next is car number 320, Van Netten, 1984 Chevy.
Mustang is my most hated car. Come on.
They're disgusting.
What's this little thing?
Shelby Cobra.
You want it?
I would take this.
I'll buy it for you. Where's the owner?
Yeah.
What's this thing? What? What do you think of this Chevelle right here?
It's alright.
That's
It's a nice
slick.
color. Blue, deep blue.
That's a neat paint job. I like that.
This might be a boat car. It's got paint. Oh, it's all good. Don't worry about it. Gotta get the right thing up first.
Gary, get a picture, Gary.
Yeah, I'm taking a picture of those flowers. Man, everybody's way here. No, you're good.
Wow, what's this thing?
You see the new one they have?
What?
Scuba car.
For what?
Get that video out of here.
Scuba car for what?
It's a car that you could drive it on water and on land, and then you could also dive with it. The car dives underwater. It's a convertible.
Unlucky 13, this car's called. It's a huge show.
Yeah, you're only seeing part of the cars.
Look at the license plate. My second toy. That's the name of the license plate. You want it, Gary?
Sure.
Where's the owner? Let's go get it.
I like that Porsche, and I like the new Skyline.
Skyline? What's that?
Nissan Skyline.
What is it? Sports car?
Firebirds?
Wow, they must have a Camaro club here or something.
Parking together. I prefer Jack cars. I like cars that are rare. I don't like cars that everybody has. What's the point of getting a car? I'd rather customize a rare car and make it rare.
Here, walk down this aisle.
Before you were born, I was there.
I'm not
Look at that. That's neat.
tried that. Top glove, no leather, remember? I haven't even tried it.
Wow, look at this baby. It's got to be the most colorful car of the whole show right there. Ford, that's a Ford.
That's okay.
go.
And it works now because I can just pressure and I
Look at this, Gary. The History Channel.
Great race.
Oh, that feels Oh, look at this T-bird. Nice. What? I'm not sure. Happy trails means it's the end. You gotta admit, the 57 Chevy does look nice. Even if you don't like old cars, they still look cool.
Look at that pink thing.
The what?
That pink truck. Sounds like a monster.
Wow, that's rare. Wow.
Straight ahead. Nice little orange truck there.
What's that?
Yeah, I was saying, I don't know.
Studebaker again? What is it? Studebaker? Studebaker? Wait a minute, I gotta see what the inside of this looks like. I'm gonna though.
Walk in a circle around.
Yeah. The Fiesta BMW, Gary.
Yep.
Another muscle car, the GTO.
That's a beast.